15 legit ways to make money online, the secret revealed. Hey there, Internet Explorers! Did you know that over 4 billion people are active internet users? That's more than half the world's population. With so many people online, it's no wonder that making money on the internet has become such a hot topic. Today, we're diving into 15 legit ways to make money online, and I'll be spilling all the secrets. I know what you're thinking, is this for real? Well, stick around because I promise it is. Making money online isn't always easy. There are scams, tough competition, and sometimes it feels like you need a PhD in computer science just to get started. But don't worry, I've got your back. Let's break down these barriers and explore some genuine opportunities. Ready to turn your internet time into cold, hard cash? Let's get started. 1. Freelancing, turning skills into income. First up is freelancing. This is a great way to start if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or programming. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are perfect for finding clients. You can offer services that match your skills, and as you build your portfolio and reputation, you can start charging more. Remember, start small and gradually increase your rates as you gain experience and positive reviews. Freelancing offers flexibility and the potential to earn a significant income if you're dedicated. It's a great way to monetize your talents and work on a variety of projects. 2. Online surveys. Share your opinions for cash. Online surveys are another easy way to earn money. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to improve their products and services. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your thoughts. While it won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn some extra cash during your free time. Just be sure to sign up with reputable sites to avoid scams and maximize your earnings. This can be a convenient option if you're looking for something simple and flexible. 3. Selling items online, declutter and profit. Have stuff lying around that you no longer need. Turn it into money. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace are great for selling everything from clothes to electronics. Pro tip: clear, well-lit photos can really boost your sales by making your items more appealing to potential buyers. You can also consider creating your own products, like handmade crafts or vintage finds, and building a niche business around them. Selling online is not only a great way to declutter, but also to make some extra cash from things you don't use anymore. 4. Start a blog. Share your passion. If you love writing and have expertise in a particular area, blogging could be a great option. You can make money through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. The key to success in blogging is consistency and providing valuable content that attracts and retains readers. It might take time to build an audience, but with patience and dedication, blogging can become a significant source of income. Plus, it's a fantastic way to share your passion and connect with like-minded individuals. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote and earn. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your referral links. Amazon Associates is a popular program to start with, but many companies offer affiliate opportunities. Be honest in your recommendations to build trust with your audience. This trust is crucial for long-term success and can lead to steady income as your following grows. It's a great way to earn passive income, especially if you have a blog or social media following. 6. Online tutoring. Teach and inspire. If you excel in a subject, why not teach others? Websites like VipKid or Chegg Tutors connect you with students worldwide. This can be particularly rewarding if you enjoy helping others learn and succeed. Online tutoring offers flexible hours and the opportunity to work from anywhere, making it an ideal option for those with strong academic backgrounds or specialized knowledge. It's also a fulfilling way to make a difference in someone's educational journey. 7. Virtual assistant. Support businesses remotely. Many businesses need help with administrative tasks like email management, scheduling, or social media. Websites like Time Etc. or Fancy Hands can connect you with potential clients. Good organizational skills and the ability to multitask are crucial for this role. As a virtual assistant, you can work with multiple clients and diversify your income streams. This job offers flexibility and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. 8. Create and sell online courses. Share your expertise. Are you an expert in something? Share your knowledge by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable let you create and market your courses to a global audience. The key is to provide real value to your students. Whether you're teaching a technical skill, creative art, or personal development, there's an audience out there willing to pay for your expertise. This is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and create a passive income stream. 9. Transcription. Convert audio to text. If you're a good listener and fast typer, transcription could be a great fit. Rev.com is a popular platform for finding transcription work. This job requires patience and attention to detail, as you'll be converting audio recordings into written text. It's a flexible job that you can do from home, and it can be a steady source of income if you're consistent and accurate. It's also a great option if you're looking for a quiet, detail-oriented job. 10. Data entry. Simple and steady. Data entry involves inputting data into systems or spreadsheets, a task many companies outsource. Websites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk offer these opportunities. While it may not be the most exciting work, it can provide a steady income, especially if you can complete tasks quickly and accurately. Data entry jobs are often flexible and can be done on your own schedule. 11. Social media management. Leverage your savvy. If you're savvy with social media, businesses could use your help managing their online presence. You can find clients on job boards or by reaching out directly to small businesses. Staying up to date with platform changes and trends is crucial in this field. As a social media manager, you can help businesses grow their audience, engage with customers, and increase sales. This role combines creativity with strategy, making it perfect for those who love social media. 12. Website testing. User experience matters. Companies want to know how user-friendly their websites are, and they're willing to pay for feedback. Userdisting.com is a great platform to start with. You'll be testing websites and providing feedback on the user experience. It's a simple way to earn money and helps improve the online experience for millions of users. This job requires a keen eye for detail and the ability to provide constructive feedback. 13. Print on demand, creative merchandise. If you have a knack for design, consider print on demand. You can design t-shirts, mugs, or other items and sell them online without holding inventory. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle the printing and shipping. This is perfect if you have a creative streak and want to turn your designs into products. Print on demand allows you to test different designs and niches without upfront investment. 14. YouTube channel, share your voice. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun and profitable venture. Create videos about topics you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, cooking, or lifestyle. You can earn money through ads, sponsorships, or selling merchandise. Remember, building an audience takes time and consistent effort, but with engaging content, you can create a loyal following. YouTube offers a platform to showcase your personality and expertise to a global audience. 15. Online coaching, guide and mentor. If you have expertise in areas like business, fitness, or personal development, consider becoming an online coach. Platforms like Coach.me can help you find clients looking for guidance and support. This can be a very rewarding career as you help others achieve their goals and see the direct impact of your advice and strategies. Coaching allows you to build meaningful relationships with clients and make a tangible difference in their lives. Highlight: creating and selling online courses. Now, let's talk about a method that often surprises people: creating and selling online courses. Did you know that the e-learning market is expected to reach $325 billion by 2025? I recently spoke with Sarah, who started teaching guitar online last year. She now makes $5,000 a month from her courses, all while working from home. This just shows the potential of online courses if you have knowledge to share. There's likely an audience willing to pay for it. The great thing about online courses is that they can provide passive income. Once the course is created, you can sell it over and over without additional effort. Conclusion: start your online money-making journey. So there you have it, 15 legit ways to make money online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. The key is to choose a method that aligns with your skills and interests. Start small, be consistent, and don't be afraid to learn as you go. The internet offers endless opportunities, but it's up to you to take the first step. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, happy earning!